welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm going to demonstrate the honey making process. Most of you have been asking about the Samburu mountain honey, where it comes from, where it's processed. And today with me I have Joseph, who works here in the honey processing unit at the Samburu Action and Awareness camp here in Samburu too. And he's going to take us through the process. So I hope I answer all the questions we've been having lately. So yeah, Joseph, what is this that we have here?
This is honey. Mm-hmm. So this is the first honey with the honeycombs. So this is the first stage. This is how it come from the mountain.
Okay.
The mountain up there.
Yeah, Mount Nero.
So we have two types of honey.
Okay.
This is Roland honey and the mountain honey.
Okay.
So now I am trying to separate honeycomb.
All right.
Honeycomb with combs. So this is how we start.
All right. Okay.
This is how it goes. So first I put this net.
Net.
This net. This is how we start. This now the remaining thing is
okay.
Then we
pour it in.
Then we pour it in this way.
All right.
This is how it goes.
Okay.
Then we just melt it with the sun. Nothing else. We cannot add anything.
So the process is pretty natural.
Yeah, it's just natural.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I help scoop it out?
Yeah. This is how it goes.
All right.
Yeah. Well done.
All right.
Well done.
Thank you.
Okay.
Then you're gonna cover it.
Yeah. Then I go and cover it.
Okay.
Yeah.
This looks really nice. You can almost eat it like this.
This is how it is, Jessica.
Yeah. Then you want to separate the honey from the comb.
Yes, we want to separate honey from the comb.
Okay. And the process is, as you have said, it is melted by the sun.
It is just melted by the
It's
sun.
not heated or anything. We'll just cover it, and the sun will do the work.
Yeah, the sun will do the work.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. That's how
Cover it like that.
Then we
seal
cover
it.
it. Then we seal it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yo, tiene kamoto. So from there we come in.
Okay.
So let me show you another. This is how we can pack. Just get inside.
All right.
This is how we can put now honey just after we process there.
After separating.
After separating it, we put all of this thing. This is just a cloth. This is just a cloth.
Okay.
Just a net. So the honey that has passed that net, I'll pour it down up to this net.
To sieve it again.
Yes.
All right.
So the honey that passes this net, then I'll put this just.
All right.
So this.
It's just as simple as that.
Just as simple like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
So in case you were wondering how the honey processing is, the process is just that simple. We separate,
Very simple. Very simple.
Separate it from with the first net, another net. Then after that we package it.
Then after that we package it.
Yeah.
Very simple.
Yeah.
Yes.
Packaging and labeling.
Packaging and labeling.
So we met Joseph when he was putting the labels on the honey. So is the the labels with the KEPS certificate. That's it. They have already taken samples to KEPS and it has been approved. And as it says on the label, they have different variations of color. Like this one is really dark.
Yeah, this is mountain honey.
Yes.
It's from, we have two types of honey. We have the mountain one. This is black one is mountain. Then they saw tree called Gilima. It's the best herb tree in the mountain Europe.
Okay.
Yeah, around mountain Europe.
Yeah, because some people were asking about the taste and the different tastes. Some has a tangy taste.
Yeah.
So yeah, you hear it from Joseph. He says that If it comes from the mountain, Mount Nero, it might have that tangy taste.
Yeah.
And there's some that comes from lowland that will have, we won't have that taste.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are the Morans who bring in the honey.
Yeah, these are the ones who bring the honey from the mountain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, thank you. You're supplying a large market in Nairobi. Yeah.
Okay.
So, thank you so much, Joseph, for sharing the journey with us.
Yeah.
We are really grateful, and we will take as much as we can.
Thank you.
Down to Nairobi.
Yeah.
Oh yes, do subscribe to our channel, Marketing Nutrition. We'll keep sharing more content and educating you on how to do different things, organic farming, how to eat well, how nutrition, managing different diseases, and we look forward to sharing more. Do subscribe, like, share with your family and friends, and see you on the next video.